I want to go ahead and solve this problem using a system of equations. A certain plane flying with the wind travels 540 miles in 2 hours. Later, flying against the same wind, the plane travels 690 miles in 3 hours. Find the speed of the plane in still air and the speed of the wind. So I'm going to go ahead and identify my variables. I'm going to let x be the speed of the plane. And I'm going to go ahead and let y be the speed of the wind. And remember that rate times time equals distance. I want to remind you of that formula. I'm going to go ahead and organize my data for this problem into a rate time distance chart here. And remember, in this problem, I'm going to be going with the wind and then against the wind. So with the wind, again, I don't know my rate, but I'm going to represent that as x plus y. My time is 2 hours, and I'm going to travel 540 miles. When I go against the wind, I'm going to say x minus y here, and that's going to take 3 hours, and I'm going to travel 690 miles. So again, remembering that rate times time equals distance, that will give me my two equations for this problem. So I get 2 times x plus y is equal to 540, and 3 times x minus y is equal to 690. I'm going to go ahead and distribute the 2 here. 2x plus 2y equals 540, and then 3x minus 3y equals 690. Now I'm going to use these two equations to solve this problem, and I'm going to go ahead and use elimination, and I'm going to eliminate the y's. So I'm going to multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 2. That will give me 6x plus 6y equals 1,620, and 6x minus 6y equals 1,380. So when I add, notice that my y's are eliminated, and 12x is equal to 3,000. I'm going to divide both sides by 12, and x is equal to 250 miles per hour. Now I also need to go and find out what y is equal to, and so I can use any one of these equations. I'm going to go ahead and use this 2x plus 2y equals 540 equation. So 2x, x is now 250, plus 2y is equal to 540. So 500 plus 2y is equal to 540. We're going to subtract 500 from both sides. And 2y is equal to 40. And we divide by 2, and y is equal to 20. So 20 is equal to y, 20 miles per hour. And remember that x was the speed of our plane, so our plane is going to travel 250 miles per hour. And y was the speed of the wind, and so the wind that we're going to encounter is 20 miles per hour.